Hey everyone, in this video we will learn Darwinbox recruitment process. The Darwinbox recruitment process starts by creating a job posting in the systems. The recruiter logs into Darwinbox, navigates the recruitment models and click on Create Job. They fill in the job details including title, description, location and required qualifications. Once the job is posted, candidates can apply through the careers portal or be sourced manually by recruiters. The system automatically tracks applications and categorizes candidates based on their profiles. Next, recruiters screen applications and shortlist candidates. They schedule interview directly within Darwinbox using integrated calendars to coordinate with the hiring managers. Interview feedback is recorded in the system and scores can be assigned to evaluate candidates efficiently. After the interviews, the recruiters move the selected candidate to the offer stage, where an offer letter is generated and sent via Darwinbox. If accepted, the candidate's details are transferred to the onboarding modules, streamlining the transitions into the company. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.